Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbud SOUNDPEATS Air 3 Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Right here you need to click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button what called disconnect, and we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, it means that it stops Bluetooth connection with these earbuds but leave it at the device list. And when you select unpair, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's tap at that disconnect. And as you can see, we stopped Bluetooth connection, but we have it at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.